Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect deviled eggs. First, select 6 to 8 large eggs. Place them in a single layer in a saucepan and cover with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. This ensures firm, fully cooked yolks. Immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath for 5 minutes to stop the cooking process and make peeling easier. After the ice bath, gently tap each egg on a hard surface and roll it to create small cracks all over the shell. Peel the eggs under cool running water. This helps separate the membrane from the egg white, making the process much smoother. Once peeled, slice each egg lengthwise and carefully scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small mixing bowl, keeping the whites intact. Now for the delicious filling. Mash the egg yolks thoroughly with a fork until they are completely smooth. Stir in 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and a dash of paprika for a hint of color and flavor. Mix everything until it's well combined and has a smooth, creamy consistency. Finally, it's time to assemble your perfect deviled eggs. You can either spoon the creamy filling back into the egg white halves or use a piping bag for a more elegant presentation. Garnish each deviled egg with a light sprinkle of paprika or some finely chopped fresh chives for extra flavor and visual appeal. Arrange them on a platter and serve immediately or chill them for up to 2 days. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.